Hi, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. It is video 5. It's working. So if you're here and watching video 5, which is a resin video, but you've not seen 4, 3, 2 or 1, pop back and watch those videos. Who knows, you might be inspired, you might enjoy what you see, you might enjoy the colour scheme. So they're all a collection from the colours that I made up by Rezin Art Pigments from Leslie Artze, and I've just selected different ones depending on how I was feeling when I started the canvas. The challenge was 6 canvases in one making of resin. Pushed me to the limits. The hair was getting sticky, I was getting sweaty, it was curing, I'd move them, they'd become unlevel. Anyway, all kinds of dramas, but there's well problems, right? So hopefully you'll enjoy seeing this video and processing how I correct it. Yeah, this one needed correcting. What did it? Yes, it did. No, yes it did. This one needs correcting. So you'll see me pull it back and do it again for the second time. I might have got that introduction wrong for number 5, 4. So if I did, I apologise. 4 was perfect. 5 needed to be recreated. 3 had to be redone, but 2 was great, 1 was great, and a partridge in a pear tree, right? It's that time of year. Anyway, what I'm trying to do is get some systems and organisation into my world. So I'm planning on doing a week of acrylic fluid art, a week of resin fluid art, a week of alcohol inks, and then maybe a week of mix and match, and then do a routine like that, and maybe post every 3rd day so people are starting to see a routine. Now, I know that some people might only like X, Y and Z, but it's all about me exploring my journey and sharing it with you, and hopefully having different people that may find value or be inspired to try other mediums. Anyway, I'm Sharon. I've digressed. I wasn't meant to say any of that and keep this short and sweet, but thumbs up, subscribe, share, comments are always welcome. Make sure you do pop back and see video 6. Much love. Have a wonderful day. The resin I'm going to be using is craft resin, which is 1 part hardener to 1 part resin. Mix it with 3 minutes and you are good to go. I'm working with, and they are all from the Rezin Artze Pigments, and they are some amazing colours in here from the wonderful Leslie Artze, and they are going to be with a mixture of a black and a white base. So I will show you. Remember, all these colours are going to be used for my 6 different projects I'm working on this evening. So if this is number 1, make sure you come back and watch 2, 3 and 4, and vice versa. If this is 6, make sure you go backtrack and watch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm Sharon, I'm digressing. Let's get on to this. This is late. Bye. Okay, by now my workstation is a right mess because I'm project 5 of 6 and I'm curing. So I have got to get this done. So I am just going to, what am I going to do with this one? I've done a flip, I've done this, I've done that. You know what? I'm just going to pour it on and blow it with a heat gun. I'm just going to blob it in areas. Zeus, no. Mate, no. Wait. No. to the edges, so it's going to flow over. And then let's try and blast it again, and then see what we're getting. Yeah, not too sure how I feel about that one. Lots of colour. That's what it's meant to be though, isn't it? So I'll bring it in for a close-up, now we'll move on to this final one, and then I've got to check over them all before it sets. Hi, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. You are now watching video 5 of 6 from my one night project. If you're watching this video and you've not watched 1, 2, 3, 4, you need to pop back, you cheeky little monkeys, and have a look at this adventure. Who knows, you might find something that you enjoy seeing the process of, or the colour schemes. Now again, this one had probably slightly less runoff than anything because it was the last one I worked on, and then I started to panic because I could see all the others falling. So I just dumped my colour on there, and I think it's a bit too much colour for me. Number 4 had a lot of colour, but that came from a flip cup. This one I just placed it on, blew it, and see what would happen when it blends together. So there's some beautiful colours, don't get me wrong, but it's a bit busy. So I enjoy this. And down here, and then up here, but I feel I need to bring back some negative space around here, and maybe maybe some here, I'm not too sure. So I'm considering blanking this one out a little bit and bringing it back. But watch the rest of this video and see what I do. Hi, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. Now this piece has cured. Obviously it has changed a little bit. That's mainly due to the runoff. However, I love this piece. It's such a happy piece, and when it's in the right direction, the colours and the depth, I think, are just stunning. I love this little part here where you can see the depth. It looks like it's a leaf under it, and I love the edges here that look like they're floating. Some of these, don't know if, sorry for the light, but I just want to turn it into different angles. The colours, it's just like a rainbow. It's just such a fun little happy piece, and I do prefer this compared to the original piece. So winner chicken dinner. And yeah, I really am going to revisit this technique and colours a little bit more. So you know the drill. Thumbs up, subscribe, share. Comments are always welcome. And if you've got any suggestions or recommendations for colours that you want me to try, you know what to do. But other than that, be kind, be creative, be original, be willing to fail, and support all artists. I'll see you on the next video.